Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. Today, we are dealing with a very specific issue that our clients have been dealing with and all business center users. We're dealing with the unit of measures specifically for transfer orders. So, before we jump into transfer orders, let's first do a quick refresher on what is a unit of measure. So, first of all, we obviously need to go into our business center and we are in our item list. The item list over here, we have chosen the a specific item, which is the blue chair. And this blue chair has a base unit of measure of unit. So in practice, we count this unit of measure by units, so by one. However, if we had to go to the related item unit of measure, so the unit of measure of this item, we find out that this item has two unit of measures, unit and box. And the box is made up of 10 units, so 10 chairs. As a company, we have made the decision that we want to transfer chairs not by unit, but instead by boxes. Now, this feature is available in Business Central already, so we can define different unit of measure at transfer order level, but what is missing is a default transfer order unit of measure. That means that for every transfer order and every item within the same transfer order, we need to change the unit of measure each and every time. And this is what the add-on is all about. So over here, you can see that we have the new field, transfer unit of measure, where we're setting the default transfer order unit of measure, which is box. If we go to transfer orders, we should now expect that new default unit of measure to show up. So let's go to new. Now, in order to make it all simple, we're going to have a direct transfer. So we're going to transfer like from Gozo to ALVS, and we're opting for a direct transfer. Now we're looking for our chair. It is a specific blue chair. And as you can immediately tell, the unit of measure code is box. We can still opt to choose a different unit of measure, so the standard has not been modified in any way. However, what has modified is the fact that our default unit of measure which has been set up for transfer orders is now immediately showing up. Now, what does it mean? Even though it's a very simple feature, the importance of it is quite extensive because we need to multiply the time saved through this default setup by the number of items, by the number of transfer orders that every day our staff at the warehouse is sending over to multiple locations. So over here, we have a key feature which is actually saving a lot of time, a lot of errors, and also making up the process much more efficient. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone for joining once again.